Second World War grenade, 250 pounds. Hello and welcome back to Bomb Crash. Today is a new day and new opportunities. As you can see, we repaired the cable. We added a few more layers of wood. Now it's about 1 foot of solid wood. So I think it will be able to withstand the force of our grenade. And here today with me we have our dear friend Mr. Pineapple Trial Rider. He's very happy because we are about to crash test his new helmet, so he will know if he's safe. We need to do our testing very quickly because our dear friend has a race this afternoon and he wants to be safe if the helmet can survive his crash. There, it will be over soon. Hey, up here! Don't worry, my friend, in a few moments you will know what your helmet will endure. Away! Unfortunately, the GoPro did not film the crash. But you can see pineapple juice. I think we know what to crash next. But our friend here is having a very bad day. I think he will be a little late for the race.
Turn.
Here you can see the imprint of grenade. This helmet is not worth nothing anymore.
Pineapple is nowhere to be found.
The most important thing today that we learned is the backstop is as good as new. So if you have any good suggestions, what do you want us to crash next beside this GoPro and GoPro operator, leave it down in the comments. Here we have an evil watermelon. Here we see total devastation. Enjoy your meal, boys.